Whether you're segmenting traffic for improved performance or securing your industrial network, VLANs are a key part of a strong Ethernet architecture. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup using the web interface. The Stratix 5800 switch supports advanced Layer 2 and Layer 3 capabilities, depending on model, making it perfect for segmented industrial networks. Keep in mind this setup also works for the Stratix 5200. Start by connecting your PC to the switch via Ethernet. Open a browser and enter the IP address of the switch. In our demonstration, the IP address is 192.168.1.254. After that, log in with your admin credentials. Once the web GUI opens, go to Configuration, then VLAN Management, and go to the VLAN section. Be sure to choose VLAN from the menu above and not SVI. SVIs are used for inter-VLAN routing. Click on Add or Create depending on the software version. Now assign a VLAN ID from 2 to 4094 and give it a name like Production, then click Apply. To assign your VLANs to the desired ports, go to Configuration, Interface, and Ethernet ports. Select a port, click Edit, and choose the VLAN mode. Access for end devices like PLCs or HMIs, or Trunk for uplinks to other switches or routers. Set the VLAN ID accordingly. For example, port 1 can be Access VLAN 10 for production. Port 2 can be Access VLAN 20. To verify your VLANs, go to Monitoring, then Ports. Make sure each port is in the correct VLAN and mode. You can also test connectivity between devices on the same VLAN. Finally, don't forget to save your configuration so it persists after a reboot. In the web interface, click Save Configuration. And that's it. Your switch is now VLAN configured and ready for segmented traffic. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please reach out to your local ES&E account manager or automation specialist.